Hey guys, I've got 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup today and 1 pound of ground beef. This is 1 medium onion that I've chopped up at home. And to that we're gonna be adding just some garlic. I'm gonna do a couple of healthy spoonfuls, just a couple of big tablespoons right in there, and some Italian seasoning. About, I don't know, like a tablespoon's worth. Got all those good Italian spices in there, the oregano and basil and all the other ones. We're gonna bump up that onion flavor with some onion powder, about a tablespoon of that as well, and the same with the garlic powder. I'm gonna bump up that onion and garlic flavor in this dish. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and some black pepper. I've got a 2nd pound of ground beef that I've cooked up, and to that we're gonna be adding 2 whole cups of, what is that, chicken broth. 1 cup right there. Pour that all over. And 1 more cup. Just like so. Make sure that there's plenty of moisture in this dish. And we're gonna be adding 2 whole cups, 16 ounces. So this entire bottle of heavy cream goes right in there. I'm gonna give this a quick mix, make sure all those flavors are combined. I'm gonna put the lid on this and set it on high. Is this on high? Yep. I'm gonna set this on high for about 4 hours. Oh my goodness, take a look at that. I'm gonna give this a stir, make sure all that beef is mixed up with all that cream. And to that, we're gonna be adding an entire 1 pound box of penne pasta. We're just gonna stir this with everything that's in that crock pot. So good. This creamy, beefy pasta. We're gonna add a little bit of this Parmesan cheese. This is a 2-cup bag. Just put the whole thing in there, like so. Mix that in. So it becomes a nice, cheesy pasta dish. It's great for like pasta dinner. Do you guys do like a pasta night? So what night is that? I think at our house it was always Fridays. And then our last ingredient is this chopped basil. Put some all over the top, and then you could take this right to your crock pot party, just like this. And then we're gonna go in here and get some of that cheesy, beefy pasta goodness. Oh, look at all that cheese. That looks amazing, guys. That's delicious. Totally make it. I love this recipe.